Hi everybody, welcome to Tummies on Tour. My name is Prachi. I'm usually behind the camera, but today I thought of making an appearance. We are here to make some wonderful Shami Kebabs. Shami Kebabs are very famous Indian starters, very easy to make and with very simple ingredients, very delicious to taste. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients. So we have here some chicken minced meat, which is about 400 or 450 grams. Now you can alternatively also use mutton or which is like goat meat or lamb meat as per your preference. Then we have some about a cup of Bengal gram soaked for about 2 to 3 hours. We have some spices here. So we have 2 to 3 green cardamoms, some peppercorns, some cinnamon, some cumin seeds, a bay leaf and some dried red chilies to be added as per taste. We also have some ginger and garlic. We have chopped chilies, green chilies. We have chopped onions. We have 1 full egg, some salt to taste, some turmeric and some garam masala powder. We also have chopped coriander and mint leaves. We will now add a few of these ingredients into a deep vessel. So I'm adding the minced meat that we have. The entire soaked Bengal gram. Put in all these spices. So in goes the bay leaf, the cardamom, the peppercorns, jeera or cumin. Put in the red chilies as well. All the ginger and garlic that we had, some turmeric, rather entirely, and then add some water. So be careful while adding water. The water has to be only as much as it covers all the ingredients. So this much should be sufficient. Now what we'll do is, we will put this on flame for about 5-10 minutes and cook it until the entire water gets absorbed by the mixture. So let's hit the kitchen. So we'll just keep stirring it frequently so that the chicken doesn't get burnt, doesn't catch the base. So as you can see, the water is almost absorbed. Whatever is remaining, we will require that much amount of water so that we can grind it into a thick paste. We will just turn off the gas now and we will allow it to cool for about 5 minutes. And then we will put it into a mixer grinder and grind it into a thick paste. So as you see, the paste is ready. Look at the consistency. Now for making the patties, we will add the chopped onions. We like it spicy, so all the chilies will go inside. We'll add salt as per taste, some garam masala powder. We'll add a few chopped coriander leaves and we'll mostly add some mint leaves. Give it a good mix then just beat the egg and slowly add the egg into the mixture. Nothing can beat your hands when it comes to mixing. Ready. You don't need the rest of the egg. Now to make the patties, just apply a little bit of water on your palm so that the patties doesn't stick onto your palm. Make some nice round balls. Okay, and flood it. Now we'll quickly hit the kitchen again and just toss it over some oil on a tawa, and then your Shami kebabs will be ready. So the pan is ready. I'm adding some olive oil. And we'll toss the kebabs over it. And let it cook. And there you go. Your kebabs are almost ready. So the kebabs are ready. It took me about 30 minutes to prepare this. Definitely try this at home. And if you like it, if it comes out to be good, please post in your comments. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for Tummies on Tour. Thank you.